Hello kids. Today we are talking about an important topic, and that topic is dividing signed numbers. First of all, what are signed numbers? Signed numbers are positive and negative numbers. When we divide signed numbers, there are three possible combinations. We could be dividing first as two positive numbers, second one as two negative numbers, and third one as one positive number and one negative number. For each of these combinations, let's talk about what happens when we divide. When we divide two positive numbers, the result will always be positive. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. When we divide two negative numbers, the result will always be positive. Minus 12 divided by minus 3 equals 4. When we divide a positive number by a negative number, or a negative number by a positive number, the result will always be negative. 12 divided by minus 3 equals minus 4. Minus 12 divided by 3 equals minus 4. Here's a summary of our findings. Positive divided by positive equals positive. Negative divided by negative equals positive. Positive divided by negative equals negative. Negative divided by positive equals negative. In other words, if the signs are the same, the result will be positive. But if the signs are different, the result will be negative. Even though 0 isn't a signed number, it's very important to keep in mind that we can't divide any number by 0. Also, if we divide 0 by any signed number, the result is 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 divided by minus 4 equals 0. Now let's talk about representation of division. Division is often presented horizontally, with the division symbol, like 6 sign of division, then 2 equals 3. Division can also be presented vertically, like 6/2 equals 3. It's also good to get in the habit of enclosing negative numbers in parentheses when we are dividing. We can do this no matter how we write the division, but it's especially important to do it when we're writing the division horizontally. Bracket minus 10 divides by 5 equals minus 2. 35/bracket minus 7 equals minus 5. In most cases, there's probably no good reason to enclose a positive number in parentheses, but it would be okay to do so. That's all from this topic. I hope that everyone will understand it. Please like, subscribe and share my channel for more informative videos.